So we will continue with the nomenclature. Nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ethers. We have seen yesterday about the introduction topic of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Like what are alcohols, what are phenols and what are ethers. And also we have done classification in the last class. Now let us see nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ethers. In nomenclature, as you know, according to IUPAC rules, for alcohols, suffix used is OL, right? Let us see some examples under nomenclature. CH3OH. As you know, common name is common name. I am writing here common name of the compound is methyl alcohol. And IUPAC name is, root word is meth, right? N saturated and OL is alcohol. So methyl alcohol is common name, IUPAC name is methanol. Similarly, C2H5OH. You know the common name is ethyl alcohol, right? And IUPAC name is ethanol. Like that, if you take a common name of the compound, that is, I am writing here the common name of the compound, N-butyl alcohol. Now N-butyl alcohol means what? N means straight chain. Okay, that is 4 carbons in straight chain with one OH group. This is the structure of N-butyl alcohol. Remaining all others are hydrogens, CH2, OH. This is N-butyl alcohol. What is IUPAC name of N-butyl alcohol? Means it is, numbering must be from this side, right? Because functional group is alcohol, 2, 3 and 4. So it is 1,1-butanol. 1-butanol, right? Next example I am writing here, isobutyl alcohol. I have written common isobutyl alcohol. Now what is the isobutyl alcohol structure is, isobutyl group means CH3CH, then CH2. This group is isobutyl group. Okay, to this one OH group is attached, so it is isobutyl alcohol. Now the IUPAC name of this compound is, now the numbering first from alcohol side, so 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now this is straight chain, 3 member carbon. So second question, methyl is there. So name of this compound is 2-methyl 1. Now see this, how many chain? 1, 2, 3 carbons. So 1 propanol. 1 propanol. Okay. Next, like this we have another compound, tertiary butyl. Okay. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Now tertiary butyl alcohol means okay, I am writing 3 methyl groups on one carbon. This is tertiary group, tertiary butyl group, and here I am writing OH group. So now this should be the parent chain, and methyl is function group, alcohol is the function group, substituents, right? So if I take this one as parent chain, I can number from any side, either 1, 2, 3, right to left or left to right. So 1, 2, 3. So what will be the name of this compound now? Second position methyl is there. That means 2-methyl, and alcohol is also at second carbon. So 2-methyl, 2-propanol, 2-methyl, 2-propanol. That is the molecule's IUPAC name. So like this, for isomers you can write the IUPAC names. Similarly, if I have a compound like common name I am writing here glycerol. What is the compounds? This one structure, molecular structure is like this. OH, molecular formula is like this. 3 OH groups. Okay na? So 3 OH groups are adjacent and the 3 carbon compound it is. Now what is the name of IUPAC name of this compound means the numbering is anyway it will be same 1, 2, 3 or like this. So what will be the name of this compound? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 because 3 same groups are there. So you should say triol. But what is the parent of propane? So 1, 2, 3. Propane triol. Propane triol, or else propane 1, 2, 3 triol. This is IUPAC. Next, nomenclature in case of cyclic compounds if you take, like I am writing here, cyclohexane ring with 1 OH group. Okay, so this can be called as 1 cyclohexanol, because you know that cyclic compound, cycloalkanes prefix is cyclohexane, right? OL, alcohol. Similarly, if we are writing a cyclohexane ring like this, okay, then numbering must be from alcohol. So this is 1, this is 2. So second position methyl is there, substituent. So what should be the name of this compound? 2-methyl 1 cyclohexanol. 2-methyl 1 cyclohexanol, like this. Okay. So there can be much more functional groups, then you should follow. Like if I write substituents like this, C2H5. Okay. Then what you should do? Numbering from here, and it should be in clockwise direction like this. So second position methyl, third position methyl. But while writing, you should follow alphabetical order. So what will be the alphabetical order? Ethyl and methyl. Ethyl must be first. That means the name of the compound is 3-ethyl, 2-methyl, 2-methyl, 1 cyclohexanol, 1 cyclohexanol. So this is about cyclic compounds, cycloalkanes examples. Okay. Next, we will see nomenclature in phenols. Okay. As you know, in phenols, the phenol, actually what is this? Benzene ring with one OH group is called as phenol. Phenol is also IUPAC name. Okay. So this is phenol IUPAC, phenol compound. Now there are another compounds, common name I am saying chrysols. Chrysols means they are containing methyl group also along with the alcohol group. So if methyl group is adjacent to alcohol group on the benzene ring, then it is called orthochrysol. It is called as orthochrysol. If methyl group is present at meta position on the benzene ring, phenol ring, it is metachrysol. It is called as metachrysol. Similarly, if methyl group is present para position, then it is called parachrysol. It is called as parachrysol. These three are the common names. Okay, common name. I am writing here common name. Okay, orthochrysol, metachrysol, parachrysol. What about the IUPAC name of these compounds? Okay, as you know, here phenol is the functional group is the alcohol. Okay, so what should be the name of this compound? If I write one here, then two here, so second position methyl should be there, right? So the name of this compound is 2-methyl phenol. 2-methyl phenol. Similarly, here if I take, here it is 1, 2, 3. Okay, it can be called 3-methyl phenol. 3-methyl phenol. Similarly, if you count here 1, 2, 3, 4, so it is 4-methyl phenol. It is 4-methyl phenol. Okay, this is in different isomers, chrysols. Orthochrysol, metachrysol, parachrysol isomers. Okay. Next, we will see another common names in phenols. One compound in which two OH groups are adjacent to each other on benzene ring. This compound common name is catechol. Okay, if two OH groups adjacent to each other on a benzene ring. Similarly, if two OH groups are like at meta position, okay, one is at meta position, then it is called resorcinol. If two OH groups on the benzene ring are present at para to each other, then it is called as hydroquinone, or simply also it is called quinol. Simply it is also called as quinol. Okay. Now these, what I have said is common names. Okay, common name of these compounds. Now what is the IUPAC name of such compounds? Okay, IUPAC name of this compound. It is same functional groups. So here it is 1, here it is 2. That means it must be a diol, right? 2 alcohols, diol. So same functional group, that's why you need to use diol. Okay. So I will write the name of this compound as benzene. Benzene 1,2 diol I will write, because at first and second position 2 alcohols are there. Okay, phenol, when you will use, when only one OH group is there, then you can use directly phenol. But if 2 OH groups or 3 OH groups, then we cannot directly use phenol. So you should use diol, triol and so on. So it is benzene 1,2 diol. Now what about this compound? If you look at the IUPAC name of this compound, this is 1, 2, 3. First position, third position. So what is the name of this compound? Benzene 1,3 diol. It is benzene 1,3 diol. If you look at this compound, it is 1, 2, 3, fourth position. So what will be the IUPAC name of this compound? Benzene 1,4 diol. So common name catechol, IUPAC name benzene 1,2 diol. Common name resorcinol, IUPAC name benzene 1,3 diol. Common name hydrophenol or phenol, IUPAC name is benzene 1,4 diol. So these are some of the compounds you need to remember along with common names. Next we will see nomenclature in ethers. Ethers. Okay. For ethers, IUPAC nomenclature, we call alkoxy, alkanes. Ether is common name, but IUPAC name of ethers is alkoxy alkanes. And alkoxy word is used to represent smaller alkyl group attached to oxygen. Okay, alkoxy is used for smaller alkyl group which is attached with the oxygen. And alkane, it is used for bigger alkyl group. Means if for example I have example, we'll take one nomenclature example, CH3OC2H5. Okay, this is the compound I have. Common name for this compound is ethyl methyl ether is the common name. One ethyl group is there, one methyl group is there. So ethyl methyl ether. And IUPAC name of this compound is, here among ethyl and methyl, which is smaller group? Methyl is a smaller group. So this is considered as alkoxy. This is considered as alkane because ethyl is big chain, methyl is smaller. Smaller group should be called alkoxy, bigger group alkane. So what should be the name of this compound? Since it is methyl, you should call methoxy. Since it is ethyl group, it is ethane. So IUPAC name of this compound is methoxy ethane. Okay. So what is the IUPAC name of ethyl methyl ether? It is methoxy ethane. Similarly, one more example, if I write CH3 OCH3. Okay. Now you see common name for this compound is, since two methyl groups are there, common name is dimethyl ether. Common name of this compound is dimethyl ether because two methyls are there. But IUPAC name of this compound is, see, IUPAC name for ethers is alkoxy alkanes. Now here both alkyl groups are same, methyl groups. So methoxymethane, because if this you consider as a methoxy group, this should be methane, alkane, right? So IUPAC name of this compound will be methoxymethane, because IUPAC name should be alkoxy alkane in the format of alkoxy alkane. Here two alkyl groups are same, that's why you can use both same terms, methoxy, methane. Okay, but here two alkyl groups are different, so smaller alkyl group alkoxy, bigger alkyl group alkane. Like that, if you take another example, next example, let's see. C2H5O, C2H5. Okay. Now, two same groups again here. Common name of this compound is again here diethyl, because two same groups, diethyl groups, ether, diethyl ether. IUPAC name for this compound is, pattern must be alkoxy alkane, right? So same like the ethoxy ethane. Ethoxy ethane must be the name of the compound. Okay. Similarly, we'll take one more example. I'm writing here. CH3 what will be the IUPAC name and common name of this compound? So common name should be here, one group is methyl group, another one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. So it is methyl pentyl ether, right? Common name is what? Common name is methyl pentyl ether. What about the IUPAC name of this compound? IUPAC name must be alkoxy alkane. So which is smaller group? Methoxy. So IUPAC name is methoxy, parent chain 5 member, bigger chain, methoxy pentane. Okay. Now like that, you can also take like one more example. Let us see. If phenyl group or benzene, you can say benzene ring is attached to OCH3, if I write like this. Okay. Common name of this compound is, as you know, its common name is anisole. Okay, benzene ring with OCH3 is called anisole. Only CH3 toluene, right? So OCH3 is there, anisole. Or sometimes it is also called methyl phenyl ether. There is nothing wrong in that. You can also call, common name can be anyway. It is methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether. This is common name. It can also be called like this. Most widely they call anisole. Okay, but IUPAC name of this compound should be, IUPAC name means alkoxy alkanes, right? Now which is smaller group? Benzene C6 carbons. Here methyl 1 carbon. So that means smaller group is methyl, bigger group is benzene, right? So methoxy, IUPAC name must be methoxy. This is benzene alkane. So IUPAC name is methoxy benzene. Okay, like that. Another example, if benzene ring contains an oxygen with C2H5, okay, common name of this one, okay, common name of this compound is phenol. Common name is phenol. Like anisole you call it, there you call it phenol. Another name also is there, like methyl phenyl ether. It is can be called as ethyl phenyl ether. Ethyl phenyl ether. There is nothing wrong in common name. You can call it either ways. But IUPAC name of this compound is, again, ethyl is small group, benzene is big group. So alkoxy alkane. So ethoxy benzene. It must be called as ethoxy benzene. Ethoxy benzene is the IUPAC name of this compound.